In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quiz in Gohighlevel. We'll go through the process from opening the platform to getting your quiz page ready to edit. This is a simple workflow, and once you know where everything is, it becomes much easier to build quizzes quickly in the future. Start by opening Gohighlevel and logging into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From that left side menu, click on Sites. This section is where Gohighlevel stores tools related to pages, funnels, and other web assets. After that, move to the top menu and click on Quizzes. That will take you into the Quiz Builder area where you can create and manage your quizzes. Next, click on Add Quiz. This opens the setup flow for creating a new quiz. From there, select Create New Quiz to begin. When the builder gives you creation options, choose Start from Scratch for faster use. This is a good option if you want a clean starting point and more control over the layout. Then click Continue to move forward. Now you'll be asked to select a template. Take a moment to look through the available options and choose the one that best matches the style or structure you want for your quiz. Once you find a template you like, click Choose. At this point, the template may take a little time to load and be added to your workspace, so just wait for the process to finish. This is normal, especially if the template includes several design elements. When the template has finally been added, click on Choose again to confirm and open it in the editor. Once the editor loads, you can now start adding quiz elements. This is the part where your quiz begins to take shape. You'll see elements available inside the builder, and you can drag the element you want onto the quiz page. As you do this, think about the order and flow of the quiz so the experience feels natural for the person taking it. After you've placed the elements you need on the page, click Save. That final step makes sure your changes are stored properly so you don't lose your progress. And that's how to add a quiz in Gohighlevel. If you're building multiple quizzes, using templates can save time, and saving frequently is always a good habit while editing.